Here I have Nissan Qashqai, and let me show you one of the most important tutorials. So let me show you how to accomplish the factory reset of the most useful settings. So if you mess up with some settings behind your steering wheel in the following display and you would like to bring back the default state, this is the tutorial for you. So at the very beginning, let's open the following list of apps and sections. Let's select here the settings. Press OK button to enter the settings. Under the settings, you need to scroll down a few times until you see such thing as factory reset. So if you highlight the factory reset, you can confirm it by pressing OK. So if you would like to reset all things with your cruise control, with your line assist, with your emergency brakes, so basically all settings that can be really useful, and sometimes if you messed with them, it's the best way to just go to the default state. You can just reset them just by highlighting the yes and confirm it the operation. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.